Hi, friends. Today on Bollywood Now, we are with the electrifying star cast of Fugly. So let's find out from them as to what this film is all about. ये फगली फगली क्या है? That's what people want to know.
Yeah, I know that's the hot topic right now. So Fugly, I think you've heard our song and it's pretty much self-explanatory कि पापा के पैसे पे कूदना फगली है, सड़क के कोने पे मूतना फगली है. All these little things, जैसिका लाल की घटना, लौंडे के मुंह से आउच, हर दफ्तर में काउच. These are all fugly things that are happening in the country and happening with all of us. So as you can see, there's an F star ugly. So as for our film, the F stands for fight. So we were four friends fighting against the ugly, which is a dysfunctional system.
That's actually what fugly means, and she's said it, so that fugly is fight the ugly. So, we've tried to explore this topic in the film. We've shown some ugliness first, and then we've tried to fight it. As four youngsters, they come together and they try to be the change. So, that's what fugly is.
Yeah, I think हमने इसको F star अगली इसके लिए भी छोड़ा है that so that you can make it interactive. अपना मीनिंग डाल लो यार, have fun with it, be creative. But actually, as per the film, it's fight against ugly. It's actually F is for four, F is for friends, F is for fugly. Fighting against ugly, four friends. Yeah.
And Jimmy Shergill plays the villain in the movie. So how was the experience working with him? And there are certain scenes which might be disturbing as well.
Well, to begin with, of course, the experience. We were very lucky to have such a fantastic actor opposite us as the villain. So that kind of enhanced our performance when we did scenes with him. And he's someone who's he's very helpful on set. You know, he would help us with, with our scenes just before the take. He'd tell us how he wanted to play it and what he thought we could try, and just like brainstorm ideas and things like that. So he's been quite a support.
इनफैक्ट पिक्चर में जितने मेरे फेवरेट डायलॉग्स हैं वो सब चौटाला का कैरेक्टर बोल रहा है, जो जिमी का कैरेक्टर है. तो एक डायलॉग है उसमें कि जाके बोल दियो अपने बाप से कि चौटाला नाम के ठुल्ले से पंगा लिया है. तो ये इट्स वो जो इम्पैक्ट के साथ वो जो डायलॉग देते हैं और जो वो सिचुएशन में इट जस्ट it's amazing, and it makes the film, it gives the film an edge because एक obviously youth energy है, एक youngsters है, we all are there and we are playing our parts, and then on the other side we have somebody like Jimmy who's coming and giving this edge. तो I feel कि हमारी पिक्चर में we have these varied things, small things which make the film very wide appeal. कि एक जैसे कि कुछ गाने हैं वो एक सेक्शन को अपील कर रहे हैं, जिमी शेरगिल एक सेक्शन को अपील कर रहा है, विजेंद्र सिंह किसी और को अपील कर रहा है, मोहित मारवा किसी को अपील कर रहा है, अरफी लांबा किसी को अपील कर रहा है, और कियारा आडवाणी किसी को अपील. तो आई थिंक इट इज़ जस्ट दिस वे हमारी फिल्म के जो रीच है इट्स गोना इट विल प्रॉब्ली, आई होप सो दैट इंक्रीजेज एंड पीपल समवेयर अपना सब स्पेशली हमारे चार के कैरेक्टर में लोग एक अपना हीरो चूज करें और उससे रिलेट करें. तो जब वो पिक्चर देख रहे होंगे तो दे विल फील अ पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी.
Talking about your songs which are there in the movie, which is your favorite song?
माय फेवरेट सॉन्ग बहुत हैं यार, हर हफ्ते बदलते हैं मेरी चॉइस, पर इस हफ्ते मेरा फेवरेट है बंजारे. And
Absolutely, Banjara. It was the first song that we shot for. It's the first thing that we shot for. So, of course, it makes it really special. It's the first time we faced the camera, for the film. And it's a beautiful song. It's a road trip song. It's shot beautifully in Leh. And it's a song sung by Honey Singh. It's something that it's different from his zone. He's not doing the Punjabi rap here. He's gone into a more melodious, a very soulful vibe. And I think he's outdone himself in the song. The response has been amazing. People have been asking us stuff like, have you guys known each other from before? So I think that chemistry is shown in the song. And most people want to just go on a road trip after singing the song.
It's a road trip song. कि जब मैं गाना सुनता हूँ तो इनफैक्ट जितने मेरे दोस्त हैं जो भी गाना सुन रहे हैं उनका मन करता है कि चल यार एक लंबी सी रोड ट्रिप पे चलते हैं, क्योंकि वो गाना शूट भी हमने लद्दाख में वैसे ही किया है. So it's my present favorite, Banjare.
Which song would you like to probably dance? Maybe your spider step, that would be.
Spider step,
Yeah, anything. दो लाइन आप गा के maybe you all can.
धुआं धुआं सी है जिंदगी, धुंधला सा है ख्वाब कहीं, खो गई जाने कहाँ वो खुशी, दिखती नहीं है रोशनी. तो ये एक पार्ट है जहाँ पे हम सब वी आर वेरी सैड एंड वी आर इन अ प्रॉब्लम, तब ये गाना आता है. बट क्योंकि हमने इतना सैड गाना गाया, अब हम आपको थोड़ा एंटरटेन करेंगे फगली फगली टाइटल सॉन्ग गा के, और अरफी उस पर स्पाइडर स्टेप करेगा.
हम सब उसमें
ओके, हम सब करेंगे, चलो ठीक है.
1, 2, 3. Go.
ये फगली फगली क्या है, ये फगली फगली क्या है, ये फगली फगली क्या है, ये फगली फगली।
पापा के पैसे पे कूदना,
सड़क के कोने पे मूतना
377 हटना,
या जैसिका लाल की घटना।
लिखना लाल किले पे लव यू।
अबे फिर से लिखेगा तो विश्व।
What was the most memorable moment while filming this song?
There was a part in the song where Salman sir and Akshay sir pick up these big paintball guns and they go and they throw this paint on us, you know, so gun
So
से
all
paint
four of
निकलता है.
us are in this in white costumes with this amazing white background, and then you see the paint coming splashing
Yeah.
on us. And obviously when you're shooting it, you have you have people throwing buckets of paint on you, and they're taking paint balloons and throwing it on you.
Yeah.
So they had a blast throwing it on us, and we were getting hit left, right, and center with this paint going in our eyes, our mouth, all of that. The minute the shot got over, the minute it was pack up. Our director said pack up, and everyone on set ran because they knew the four of us were going to come out
Actually,
there and
they
put it
didn't
on
tell
all
us
of
it's
them.
like pack up. Kabir sir said it a little late. The whole camera team suddenly was like, they were not there. Like, cameras there, but where's the team?
They
They
all
already, all of them already ran away knowing that we're not
Because
going
we
to
had
spare them.
decided that the minute
We'll
it's
not
pack
spare
up,
them,
we're
yeah.
not going to spare them. We're going to go with our paint bodies and take it and throw it back on them.
हमने
So we
basically
had a
इस-
fun shoot.
हमने होली खेली जब ये हम पे पेंट फेंक दिए उनने और पेंट हो गया और हमारा शॉट जब खत्म हो गया तो हमने बोला अब सब आ जाओ तो हमने पेंट लिए जो बचा कुचा पेंट था और सारे सेट पे सारे क्रू के साथ होली खेली. इट वाज द लास्ट डे ऑफ शूट. तो हमने मतलब हाँ अभी भी लोग जो हमारे क्रू के हैं वो जाते हैं उनके कान से भी पेंट निकल रहा है कितना पेंट घुस गया है.
And talking about your roles in Bollywood, so how difficult or how easy is it to probably get a role when you already have some contacts in the industry or you are from a family background? Is it easy to sustain?
Firstly, okay, to begin with, I didn't. I auditioned for this film. My director didn't even know what background I was coming from. Secondly, I think yes, if you know people in the industry, it makes it easier to meet. To get you to have to meet the right people. But after that, it's completely on yourself. If you don't have the talent, you can't impress them with that, then no one's going to sign you. And today, agencies are also there to make you meet the right people. So in that sense, I think talent is the only thing that can take you forward.
You need to work hard. You need to make a place for yourself, be it inside or outside the industry. Eventually, जब आपको कोई कास्ट करता है तो दे कास्ट यू बिकॉज ऑफ हु यू आर एंड मीन एज ए इंडिविजुअल. तो आप कैमरे के आगे क्या करते हो उस बेसिस पे आपको रोल मिलता है. तो इट्स दैट्स माई एक्सपीरियंस. किसी और का एक्सपीरियंस कुछ और भी हो सकता है बट जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है तो आई हैड टू गो थ्रू द ग्राइंड. आई हैड टू गो. मैंने ऑडिशन दी सब किया और वैसे मुझे पिक्चर मिली. तो एक नॉर्मल रेगुलर आदमी जैसे की कास्टिंग होती है वैसे मेरी कास्टिंग हुई थी. तो इट्स दैट्स माई एक्सपीरियंस.
And like if we have to ask in terms of the family bonding that you have or you share with probably Arjun Kapoor and Sonam Kapoor, so how is it?
यार जैसे कोई भी दूसरे भाई बहन होते हैं वैसे ही है. एंड हम लोग साथ में घूमते फिरते हैं. वी कभी फ्री होते हैं तो बाहर खाना खाने चले जाते हैं नहीं तो घर पे बैठते हैं टीवी देखते हैं. तो इट्स लाइक जैसे कोई भी यार वी आर वेरी दे आर सुपरस्टार्स इन देयर ओन राइट्स. बोथ ऑफ देम दे आर वेरी एस्टैब्लिश्ड बट when you're at home you're like any other youngster. You're कोई भी एक.
So any tip that they gave you?
कुछ नहीं यार सभी बोलते हैं कि यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड. मेहनत करनी है और दैट्स उनने मुझे बोला नहीं पर मैंने उनको देख के खुद ही नोटिस किया है कि आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ती है और इफ़ यू वर्क हार्ड देन यू कैन गो क्लोजर टू योर ड्रीम्स.
And what are your future films that you'll be probably starring in?
राइट नाउ
Okay.
Fugly on June 13th.
Okay, and what about you in terms of the family bonding that you share? So how does that help?
My great granduncle is much older than I am, and he passed away when I was very young. So whatever I know of him, hear about him, is through my Masi, my grandmother, and even my granduncle Saeed uncle. He lives in London. So ज़्यादातर बात फ़ोन पे होती है. He knows about the film. He's very excited. He's going to go watch it. So I'm waiting to hear his feedback. And yeah, we're a close-knit family. I think everyone's very proud that I've reached here today. I just hope that I live up to their expectations.
Right. And finally, one-liner, why should people watch this movie?
June 13th को वो देखो वो पीछे लिखा है इधर June 13th.
It's very very relevant to what's happening in the country. The story, I mean, it's a youth film. You're going to connect to it. You'll relate to it. You'll either see yourself or your friends in these characters. And it's whatever's happening in the country, all these issues, they're very relevant with the film. We bring up the same issues. So all your question marks about how do we make a difference and how do we, get out of these problems. I think when you watch the film on June 13th, you'll get your answer to it. So there's a message in the film which we're trying to say that don't make a change, be the change. So if you want to know the difference between that, go watch the film June 13th.
बस कुछ नहीं, इसमें आजकल की जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, स्पेशली जो लड़कियों, द गर्ल्स हु आर डीलिंग विद दिस प्रॉब्लम्स, हमने उनको लेके एक मुद्दा बनाया और उसको वी ट्राइड टू फर्स्ट शो द प्रॉब्लम्स एंड देन वी ट्राइड टू शो अ वे दैट हाउ वी सॉल्व दोज प्रॉब्लम्स. तो छोटी मोटी प्रॉब्लम हर आदमी गुजरता है, हर लड़की और हर कोई भी वीक इंडिविजुअल दे गो थ्रू दिस प्रॉब्लम्स. तो अगर आप पिक्चर देखेंगे तो समवेयर यू ऑल्सो गेट टू नो दैट हाउ टू अप्रोच दैट सिनारियो. तो अगर आप if you are in a situation like that, आप आओ और फगली देखो and maybe it will inspire to go and fight your problem.
Friends, as you saw, this was the starcast of Fugly, and don't forget to watch Fugly releasing this Friday. In Mumbai with cameraman Puneet Rawat, this is SKD signing off for Bollywood Now.
Hi, this is Arfi Lamba, and keep watching Bollywood Now.